Hey guys, huh? What's this? I don't get it. Is it a skeleton? Oh wait, it's a person. Bones. Here they are. Organs, muscles, skin, and clothing. And we gotta put together all these layers. Let's go. Hey, how are you doing? Oh, so these are the internal organs? Let's put them in place. What should be in here? Brain! The brain is like a computer inside your head. Next. It's the heart. Heart pumps the blood. Okay, what's this? Liver! It's your body's cleaner. Next organ. Pancreas! It helps your body use the food you eat. What do we have here? Kidneys! They're your body's filters. There's another organ right here. Lungs! They help you breathe. And right here, we've got... Right, stomach! It's your food mashing machine. There's another organ in here. Intestines! They help your body get nutrients. Here we go. These are the organs inside our body. But hold up, we're not done yet. It's a leg. And the other leg. What are these? Do you know? Right, it's an arm. And the other arm is here. What about this central part? It's the body. And what is this? It's the head! We're done! Great job! Do we get a reward? Woohoo! These are pieces for our layered puzzle. Let's put them together. First, the arms. Next, the legs. Now the body. Here it is. And finally, the head. Once again, guys, brain. It's right here, in the head. Next, the lungs. They're in the chest. The liver. By the way, it can regrow parts of itself. The stomach. It can stretch a lot when you eat. The intestines. They're super long, wiggly tubes. And the kidneys with 1 million tiny filters. Let's move on. Hey, this guy's kind of empty, right, friends? Let's put all these organs in place. These tweezers will help. Heart. Here it goes. Lungs. This is the right place. Kidneys. They go here. Spleen. It cleans out old stuff from your body. Stomach. Its place is right here. This is the liver. And this is the small intestine. This is the large intestine. We're done here, guys. Let's just cover the organs with the rib cage. We also have some bones missing. This one's called the femur. And this is the tibia. Well done, we're so good at it. And we get a reward, more puzzle pieces. Let's assemble this layer. These are arm muscles. That's what leg muscles look like. The other leg's pretty much the same. Now we need the body. Here it is. And here's the head. Done! By the way, the body has over 600 muscles. The bone layer? Done! The organ and muscle layers? Done too! Let's check who lives here. We can use these keys. Yellow for the yellow door. Look, guys, it's a frog. Pink for the pink door. Awesome, these are arms. Red for the red door. Oh, it's a fox. Next, this light orange door. It's a donkey. Blue for the blue door. It's a dog. And finally, let's check this orange door. We're lucky, these are legs. Where do these puzzle pieces belong? Let's find out. The arms go here. And the legs right here. We still need the body and the head. Let's play with emotions. First, which hairstyle? This one. Nice! Now ears. These eyes. And we also need the eyebrows. I'll take this nose. And this mouth will fit perfectly. He's angry. Now how about these eyes? I'll take these eyebrows. And this nose. This is the mouth we need. So he's happy. The next emotion. Now I've got one idea. Maybe it'll work. If it does, it'll help us with our layered puzzle. And ta-da! It worked, guys. We got the head. Now we just gotta put it in place. Wow, what do we have here? Corn! Tomato! Lemon! Carrot! Watermelon! Grapes! Yay, look at this! It's the body. Let's put it in place. This layer is complete too. It's the skin layer. Now we just need some clothes. Whoa, great choice. What do we pick? I really like these pants. This t-shirt will look good here. When it's cold, we need a jacket. And a hat to protect the head. This is a winter outfit. Next, we'll take this top. And a pair of matching shorts. We need some sneakers. Aha! Perfect! This is athletic wear. How about these yellow pants? Let's add a yellow t-shirt too. And a pair of cute slippers to finish the look. This is homeware. I've got another idea. We'll take jeans. And a hoodie. These boots will do great here. It's a streetwear look. Yay, we did everything correctly. Good job. Let's put together the last layer. The arms. The legs. The body. And the head. Voila, we did great. This guy's all ready for new adventures. We've got all layers. Bones. Organs. Muscles. Skin. And clothing. Thanks for playing with me. Bye-bye.